looking at timetable. That's why we just randomly pick a number. We not go wrong.
You can't randomly pick a number, you mad?
Of course. Or 49. No, someone get 49 already. 49.
I just keep on make sure explain it to me, because I'm still not understand.
Okay, who you giving 49? You get the trend Reagan. Who you giving the 49?
Him still not understand, sir.
Alright, let me explain again, Reagan. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, explain again. Now, remember now, you get a square number, right?
Never times.
You use two same number to give you a square number. You multiply two same number. For example, 12 times 12 is two same number, don't it?
Yes, sir.
So 12 times 12 is how much?
48.
No, 144.
Yeah.
100. Eh? Where is it? Where is it? Talk.
No, mainly, that's about.
Okay. You're wise, boy, and you're really wise. So 144 is the squared number. But you have to multiply two same numbers to get the squared number. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's find another one. Give me two same number and multiply them.
Two same number.
Yeah. And multiply them. Give me two same number and two same number.
Any two same number.
Yeah.
6.
So when you multiply 6 and 6, what you get? What you get?
2, 6, 12.
No, man. 6 times 6 is how much? 36, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to learn a timetable, right?
That never go do.
Yeah, we'll learn a timetable. Alright. Now, 81. Is it a square number?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. The square number of 9.
Okay. So 9 times 9. Is it go, Regan?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you say, how is a square number now? You just use two same number, multiply them, and you get a square number. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, is 121 a square number, Regan?
21, sir?
121.
121.
Yeah.
Catch me.
Alright.
Maybe I don't sure.
What do you think?
Sir. Yeah.
It is okay. So what two same numbers would you multiply now to get
Two number. Boy, oh boy. What's the one night class can help me out?
Level.
Yeah.
Melissa help you out. Alright.
Sir, why you show a different way? If you divide, if you get the square number.
Oh.
They're more easier for you than fewer times.
Alright, you use it. Alright, so just use it. Alright. It's 11, right? 11 times 11. Now, for him to do that, him still with that, because divide, right? But him have to know, say we give you 121, you had to divide that number by various numbers until you get the same number. You get the math now, Regan?
Yes, sir.
Say normally, let me tell you one trick to mathematics. Always start off with the number 1. They divide 121 by 1, you get 121. 1 and 21 are not the same number. You divide 3 by 121. You're not going to get the same 3. You divide 11 by 121. They get 11. So you keep dividing until they get the number where you divide by. Make sense?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go and go try practice some of them.
Ah, that's the spirit. Spirit. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Even numbers. Everybody know what are even numbers. Should I ever go through that?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because we never notes it.
You know the notes fit. Okay.
No,
The notes you like.
kinda.
Oh. All right, there goes an even number. Who never read now?
Carisha.
Teresa. All right, wanna read now?
An even number is an integer which is evenly divisible by 2. This means that if the integer is divided by 2, it yields no remainder. Remainder. 0 is an even number because 0 divided by 2 equals 0, which despite not being a natural number is an integer. Even numbers are either positive or negative.
Okay. They can have negative even numbers.
And positive.
Can somebody give me a negative even number?
3. Negative even number?
Yeah.
-2.
Good. Anybody can give me a next negative even number?
-10.
Good. Anybody can give me a negative even number?
6.
Reagan,
Sir?
give me a negative even number, please.
And so you can answer this class and make a chant to flow meanwhile.
All right.
6,
sir.
sir.
6. Good.
So give the trick to it. In terms of always a negative with an even number.
Just a negative with an even number. All right. You know. Give me an even number, Reagan. Just give me an even number.
Yeah, what are even numbers, you know? I'm not sure no none.
All right. Even numbers are any number that can be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder.
So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Just come by 2 something. Just come by 2.
Hard God. Can't have some teacher, you know?
No, man, that might help you.
Confuse me.
All right, let me help him. Ready? I'm help you, Reagan. Hold on. I'm gonna help you. Hold on. I'm gonna help him. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's move on. So, Reagan, question. Is 21 an even number?
21. I don't know if I said no. 2, 4. No, sir.
Very good. Very good. Everybody give him a clap for me, please. All right. Very good. So now we're add numbers now. Here's the definition.
An integer, not a fraction that can be divided with. Just write it.
All right. Can I read that from Reagan?
Any integer, not a fraction, that cannot be divided exactly by 2. The last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Example 3, 1, 7, 30, and 35 are all odd numbers.
All right. So question, based on what you just read, is 27 an odd number or is that even number?
27. Let's say it's an
The information can help you, know.
information.
They're right in front of you.
No, sir.
Why? Why is it no?
Because 7 is an odd number and it'll leave a remainder.
All right, good. And remember, they said the last digit of the number.
Yes, sir.
Any number we have 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 at the end of it is a odd number. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is 29 an even number, Reagan?
No, sir.
All right. Everybody else understand, or I need some explanation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's move on. Prime numbers now.
So,
Nobody knows. What, you there the notes?
yeah, me go back on the recording.
Okay, sensible girl. Everybody what the prime numbers are? But have an idea? You can't guess it's not wrong, you guess it now.
Prime numbers are numbers. Prime numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting numbers?
No. So we're going to know get the notes. Mary, so read that for me, please.
Give me a number. And prime number can be divided evenly by 1 or itself, and it must be a whole number greater than 1. Example, 5 can only be divided evenly by 1 or 5, so it is a prime number, but 6 can be divided even by 1, 2, 3, and 6, so it's not a prime number, it's an composite number.
All right. Now, is 4 a prime number?
No,
No, sir.
No.
because divided by too much number, it only must divide by 1 and itself.
Myself.
Very good. Are you gonna hear that?
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna ask you now. Is 11 a prime number, Reagan? 11.
Yes, sir.
All right. Remember you to get it last time? When that
Yes,
fact
sir.
said it was 1 and 11. Very good. Give you, Reagan, give me a next prime number.
The next prime number. Let me see it now. Pass, yes, sir.
You pass?
Mm-hmm.
No, man. Try, man. Give me a prime number less than 10.
Less than 10. Why you live by 1? I'm at 20. Yes, sir. I'm not got none, no, sir.
Try.
I'm going to try. I'm going to test. I'm not got none.
All right. There's a secret you can use to find prime numbers. Look what I'm going to show you. Reagan, give me the factors of 7.
Factors of 7. Ah, boy. Factors of 7 here now.
All right, Kerisha, see your hand. So what knowledge you?
All right.
Go ahead.
Yes, I'm going to pass here, sir.
You passed too much. Come, try again. You gave me 11. How you found the factors of 11? Remember, you tell me now. What and what can give 7?
7 and 1.
Exactly. Can anything else give 7?
No, sir.
The 7 is a
But
prime
the
number.
thing is more sit down and study notes and we can kind of understand it more.
All right, no problem. Huh? It's right there. No, sir. All right, so you get a chance to sit down and read your notes. No problem, which makes sense.